Hey Sarah, do you follow any sports?
Hi Tom. Yeah, I'm a big fan of soccer. How about you?
That's cool. I'm more into basketball myself. What do you like about soccer?
I love the excitement when a player scores a goal. It's amazing to see them kick the ball into the back of the net. What about basketball? What's your favorite part?
I enjoy watching players slam dunk. It's awesome when they jump up and throw the ball through the hoop. Do you play any sports yourself?
I play tennis for fun. I'm still learning, but I can serve pretty well now. How about you?
Nice. I play a bit of football with my friends. I'm not great, but I can catch the ball most of the time. It's a good workout.
That's great. Speaking of workouts, do you exercise regularly?
I try to. I usually go for a run a few times a week. It helps me stay on the ball with my studies too. Do you have any fitness routines?
I do some yoga and occasionally sprint at the local track. It's not always easy to stay motivated though.
Subscribe for daily lessons and contents. Do me a favor and smash that like button as well.
I know what you mean. Sometimes it feels like you're running in circles, doesn't it?
Absolutely. But I guess you can't win them all when it comes to staying fit.
True. Hey, have you ever watched any extreme sports?
I've seen some snowboarding competitions. Those athletes really dive in head first, don't they?
They sure do. I'd love to try surfing someday. Riding those big waves must be quite a rush.
Sounds exciting. I'd probably be out of my league though. I prefer sports where I keep my feet on the ground.
Fair enough. Oh, did you catch the big game last night?
No, I missed it. What was the score?
It was a close one. The home team won by just 1 point in the final seconds. Talk about a nail-biter.
Wow, sounds like it was an exciting match. I'll have to catch the highlights.
Definitely. Well, it's been fun chatting about sports. Maybe we could play a game of tennis sometime.
That would be great. Just go easy on me. I'm still learning the ropes.
No worries, we'll just have fun. It's not about winning or losing, right?
Exactly. Looking forward to it.
That concludes today's lesson. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel so you'll be notified when I upload new lessons every time. If the lesson was helpful, please like it and drop a comment. Until tomorrow, stay safe and study hard.